Hello, in front of me I've got POCO M5. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter passwords and security, and go to screen lock. Firstly confirm, and as you can see right here we've got three types of screen locks: pattern, pin and password. Let's set pin. And enter 4 to 16 digits. Now let's use it to unlock the phone. Now let's set password. And again let's use it to unlock the phone. In the end, let's set up pattern. And now we can go to face unlock. Simply scan your face in this area. Now when my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. In the end, we can set up Fingerprint Unlock. We have to simply tap the fingerprint sensor multiple times, and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. The fingerprint sensor is located at the power button on the side of the phone. Now let's use it to unlock the phone. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.